All right, setting off 72-mile trip all the way up to Eisenhower. Hope it all goes well. But time to head north as fast as I can. There are storms all in the area. So made it to Allen, which is now 15 miles in. Hour 55 minutes. It's climb time. Climbing up Ridgeview. Look at all that. Apartments all the way down. All the trees gone. Climbing up the big hill behind Irwin. Finally off-road time. And this road is really rough now. Oh damn. Looks like these people moved out. Nobody's here anymore. They already got a road going over there or something. City's moving in. Anybody need some corn? Well, they got the road to go through. Now there's a stop sign. Other traffic doesn't stop. Now they got a major road through here. Goes the country. Well, shit. They already moving a whole bunch of families up in here. A tiny little house. Time for a beer. Really tall one. Just back Texas roads. I wonder what this is for. It's a lot of it. Texas gravel. White and bright. Yeah, that's about what it feels like. Rear tires feeling a little low. I'm gonna check it with the pump. Well, looks like we're about 2 pounds low. So let's give it some air. Well, I'm out of Sherman. Stopped to grab some Gatorade soda. Riding north. I'm about 9 miles out. Getting a little warm now. Had cloud cover for a bit, but now it's a little sunny. Time to get a camp shower. I'm exhausted. One nice thing about riding up here, got a whole shoulder, which is a lane. It's nice. So I had to stick a tube in it. Whatever was in there punctured twice, and so I couldn't get it to fill up. It's nice that I had a little trailer I could pull up on, hang the bike on the back of it. Time to get to camp. So punctured again. Tube's somewhat holding. I don't know what it's doing. It acts like it's fine, then it starts spewing, then it goes, but oh well. Check this out. There's the storm. It's supposed to be hitting soon. I gotta get camp set up. Let's get it done. Yeah, that's real helpful. Yeah, oh yeah, right there in the face. What are you doing?
Hiding. Got a river going underneath this here, man.
Oh my shit. So there goes the storm. Probably lasted all of 30 minutes, and Joe and I were huddled up under his tent. And check this out. There's a rainbow. Look at that mess everywhere. That's gonna be hard to come off.
Let me sort you.
Look at this!
Joe!
Where'd you come from, baby?